Factory Finish Shoe Repair has been serving customers in Dearborn for more than 7 decades. And from the first day that they opened their doors, it's been a family-run business.
My grandparents opened it back in 1952 as a shoe repair, and we still service shoes and much, much more. I started when I was 16 and had a driver's license. My grandfather got ill with cancer, and one Saturday he told me either I was going to run it until it sold or I was going to buy the business from him. And I had that weekend to decide. So that's how I came into buying the business, and I really enjoy it now. In my younger years, I didn't have the appreciation for the craft, more of helping out my grandfather. Later on, after doing it for so many years, definitely developed an appreciation and love for the craft. We definitely go much further than just shoe repair. Pretty much anything, if it can be done with a sewing machine and rebuilt, reconstructed, we specialize in doing that.
Mitch's commitment to quality repairs and his ability to change with the times have ensured this shop stays successful decade after decade.
We did start a mobile unit, so I also can come to you and your place of business, and I have a transit van that I've equipped to do minor repairs and shoe shines in. Be glad to come to your place of business and shine people's shoes. You don't have to come to me, I'll come and take care of all of them. I really enjoy serving the community and interacting with all of the customers and having a personal relationship with many of them. I enjoy fixing the shoes, so it's not as much work as an enjoyable hobby, if you will. So it's pretty good if you can get paid to enjoy your hobby, but more than anything, you have to charge for it. That's the hard part.